It's not fun. It's not fun. They are not fun, not at all. Don't like the filming course. Why do they have to change? We're at Halloween Horror Nights 2018. It's getting real. It's getting intense. We're about to go in. A lot of people, a lot of chainsaws. It's getting scary. Jesus Christ.
Is that your 1 second?
No, it's my vlog. We'll have a fun night. See you later.
Aiden, you look great. Get out for video.
No, I gotta look like I have friends.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Friends.
I'll just peep up behind you. Wait, okay.
Oh, we have a whole night of filming.
30.
Oh.
It's been 13 seconds. Oh, you've been
not the whole night, but like enough to where I can like raise my subscriber count.
Are you a YouTuber?
She's a YouTuber.
I have a whole thing for me.
Hi.
No, it's,
Oh, the picture. Okay.
it starts with, hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's Emily again.
That's my team.
Okay, we're about heading to our first scare zone. Actually, not our first one filming though. Get ready. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. Wait for them to get water though. So hello guys. I was going back through the footage and I see this video where I'm promising this first scare zone. I remember that got filmed. But apparently it didn't. My cameraman for that scene just wasn't as technology advanced as I am. 'Cause, you know, I am the epitome of filming and film directing and filmmaking. I think my channel has definitely shown my editing skills to its potential. So I'm just going to recreate that first scare zone using some household objects around the house. So I'm gonna have this little stamp here. It says Emily on it. That's gonna be me because it's my name. And then we're gonna have this little Burger King cup. Look at that, little cute marketing. If I was a parent, I would give my kid Burger King constantly just to get this little cup. But also maybe not because money's a thing and it's not healthy. Whatever, you know, we're just out here with the cute marketing. And then this little, oh, I never actually said that was. It's just gonna be like a nice little tree because it was in a wooded area. And then we're gonna have this little Euro cake that I got from the Oriental Market. Be the bad guy who scares me. Get ready. La 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 la, it's me, Emily. Walking through a scare zone, it's not scary. Let's push this little buddy behind the cup a little more because I definitely could not see the scares last night. We're being accurate here on the channel. Oh, look at this nice little tree. So festive, so spooky. Nothing scary behind that tree. Again. Oh, they actually didn't hit me though. That wasn't accurate. I hope you got the gist of the video. I'm sorry that it didn't get filmed accurately. But it's okay because we made it up on our own, so it's fine. And I also realized I'm doing a voice from my own voice. Fun. Okay, let's get back to the real footage. No. No. Where are we? No.
I didn't get that on video.
Where I ran into Shelby?
I had to. Oh my god.
I did look at life. He like challenged me. Emotionally distraught right now. Please don't. I don't need it right now. I'm behind metal. They can't scare me.
Damn, you rock.
I'm in drinking water, Aiden. no scaring right now.
Okay.
Let's do this. Do I need a hashtag break? Because I might have hashtag go.
I love your flag. Oh my god, he just gave me a...
Right up to the toilet!
Yes, where?
Why are they still here?
Stop. I swear I ate it. Stop right now. Don't stop.
This could be part of our act.
What do you mean act? It's like, oh god, we're getting a vaccine. Vaccine's coming. Oh my god, the rat. I never allowed my children to get vaccines. I just make them eat dirt and bugs. You're blinding me.
Priscilla.
We're going to die tonight, and there's nothing we can do. Oh my gosh. The light is so obnoxious. We're gonna get a vaccine. Aiden, just remember
She's coughing. It's infected her.
Oh no, Emily, maybe you have it. Oh god, that's the first sign. See the way she's sweating?
Hyperventilating is sign 2.
She's not gonna make it. We gotta leave her.
We have to kill her.
I could throw up.
Oh my. Throw up on the actors, not us.
Why?
We just came out of Dead Exposure Patient Zero. The scariest house here. I feel like I could throw up. It was just a lot of scariness. And they didn't think that. Oh my god. You didn't think they were real, but they were real. And it was really. Woo. I need water. I need water really bad. I don't know what's happening, guys. Hope I survived this. So I never filmed an outro for this video when I was at Horror Nights. The scares got too real and my phone was also dying. A lot of issues. But here's the outro. It was a fun time. It was a fun night. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Stranger Things house was definitely my favorite. Did it twice. Yeah. Even if you don't like scares, I would recommend it. It's a really fun time and you don't get hurt. Even though chainsaws are terrifying. But I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.